In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for Agile management fast and easy. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to streamline your Agile processes, you're in the right place. We're diving into a platform that provides clarity and efficiency, helping you manage your projects with ease. Let's kick things off by setting the foundation of our Agile environment on Monday.com, starting with creating essential boards. In an Agile system, boards act like digital workspaces where you can organize everything you need in one place. Begin by setting up boards specifically for your backlog, sprints, and tasks. The backlog board is where you'll compile all upcoming work to be done. It's essentially your project's to-do list. Next, create a sprint board. This board represents specific time-bound efforts within your project timeline. It's like the heartbeat of your project, helping you measure and manage the flow of tasks. Finally, you set up a task board. This board will break down specific jobs that need to be completed within each sprint. By creating these distinct boards, you get a clear overview of where every task and project stands, streamlining and organizing your Agile processes. Once your boards are set up, it's time to dive into the details of tracking progress. One of Monday.com's standout features for Agile management is the status column. This function allows you to clearly indicate the progress of each task and where it stands in the project's lifecycle. You can customize the status to reflect various phases, such as to-do, in progress, review, and done. By using status columns, the entire team gets an instant visual cue on the state of each task every time they view the board. This avoids unnecessary confusion and keeps everyone aligned on the project's current standing. Next, let's look at leveraging Monday.com's Kanban view. This flexible workflow management tool helps you visualize your Agile process. Imagine laying out all your tasks on a virtual board where you can easily track their movement through different stages, from backlog to in progress, and finally, to done. Kanban view eliminates guesswork, so you can see bottlenecks and manage resources much more effectively. Drag and drop tasks as they progress, giving your team a dynamic view into the workflow. Finally, it's crucial to have regular check-ins and reviews for successful Agile management. With Monday.com, you can hold virtual reviews effortlessly using board updates. Updates keep communication centralized, with comments and feedback stored directly on the relevant task boards. This feature makes it easy to assign tasks, tag team members for quick feedback, and ensure that everyone remains in sync. Effective reviews lead to actionable insights, paving the way for continuous improvement in your Agile workflow. And there you have it. Now you know how to master Monday.com for Agile management with just a few straightforward steps. By creating clear structures like backlog, sprint, and task boards, tracking progress meticulously with status columns, optimizing workflow with Kanban view, and conducting insightful board reviews, you can significantly enhance your project's efficiency. Thanks for joining us today, and happy project managing.